This is the procedure to show you how to do the roll test. After calibration, before the tool is sent to the field, it must go through testing in the form of field qualification. This is a quality control procedure that verifies that the tool was calibrated correctly. Should the tool fail the calibration process, it will have to be repeated. The following steps will outline the field qualification procedure. Before performing the roll test on the GeoShot 2 tool, be sure the following calibrations have been completed: temperature, magnetic, and hang. Step 1. Install batteries into the battery barrel of the tool. Place the tool on the bench of the field qualification test stand next to the computer. Step 2. Open the GeoShot 2 program and interface will appear. Connect the tool to the computer using the wand available. Be sure to connect the tool after opening the program. Step 3. Click the green Connect button to establish communication with the tool. A pop-up screen will appear. Click OK. The tool number and tool software version will appear on the left side of the screen of the GeoShot 2 interface. Check to make sure the tool number is correct and the tool software is current. Step 4. Click the Start Survey button on the top left of the screen. A warning screen will appear. Click the Yes button. At this point, the computer will establish communication with the tool, check and display the battery voltage, and prepare the memory inside the tool to record the surveys. After communication has been established, you will be asked to disconnect the tool and run it down the well. Since we are not using an actual well to test the tool, simply disconnect it from the computer and click OK. Step 5. Install the bottom plug cover on the tool and then, using the threads of the cover, install the tool to the test stand. Step 6. Make sure the stand is in the vertical position by checking the degree marking on the side. It should be at 0. With the tool vertically in the stand, click the Take Survey button. When the survey is complete, the screen will appear and click OK. Step 7. Unscrew the tool from the stand, remove the bottom plug cover, and reinstall the tool in the stand, this time using the threads on the top battery plug. Step 8. Loosen the stand and point the tool to the north in the horizontal position. Reconnect the tool to the computer using the wand. The markings on the side of the stand should now appear as shown in the video. Step 9. With the tool connected, click the Get Survey button. A warning screen will show up. Click OK. Step 10. After clicking OK, the depth screen appears and asks for a depth. Enter 0.0 and click the Enter button. After entering the depth, the surveys will be retrieved from the tool. There are 2 surveys and they will be displayed on the Gearhart GeoShot 2 screen. Step 11. Record the values for surveys 1 and 2 on the GeoShot 2 roll test sheet. The data should be recorded under the table on the sheet and should be titled Before Shaking. At the top of the sheet, also record the tool number, software version, the date, and your name. Step 12. The process you have just completed is called getting a survey. You are checking to make sure the tool is working and that it can record and display a survey. The next part of the field qualification test will be a roll test. The tool will be rotated 360 degrees to see if there are any drastic changes in the numbers it displays. Step 13. By completing step number 8, you have already placed the tool in the ready position for the roll test. Click the Advanced Menu button on the GeoShot 2 interface. A warning screen will pop up advising you that you are about to enter advanced settings. Click Yes. Step 14. After clicking Yes, you will encounter a password screen. Enter the password 19277291. If the password is accepted, the Advanced Menu panel will be activated. The program is now in real-time mode. Step 15. Our purpose is to make the YG number as close to 0 as possible. Rotate the portion of the stand that the tool is installed in until the YG reading in the advanced panel is a decimal with at least 2 leading zeros. In this video, we ended up with 70 degrees to get YG to negative 00694, satisfying the 2 leading zeros. Step 16. Once you get the YG readings, make a note of the degree marking of the rotating portion of the stand. Record this value on the GeoShot 2 roll test sheet. This will be 0 position for this test, it is 70 for the roll test you are about to do. Record the other real-time readings on the roll test sheet under the appropriate headings. Step 17. Rotate the tool in 45-degree increments. In this example, it will be 115 degrees, which is 70 plus 45, and record the real-time data as it appears in the Advanced Menu panel until you have revolved the tool 360 degrees. After you have completed the 360-degree revolution, the GeoShot 2 roll test should appear as shown on the video. Step 18. Review the recorded data to identify obviously bad data points. Circle these data points as shown in the video. Compare the data under the different headings that are 180 degrees apart. The numbers should be within plus or minus 3 thousandths for the X and Y data points. The Z data sets should only show a slight increase or decrease from the original readings as the tool is rolled. The inclination and azimuth readings should be plus or minus 1 degree. The G total should be 1.000 plus or minus 5 thousandths, and the H total should be 0.460 plus or minus 4 thousandths. Step 19. If any of the data points appear questionable, seek the advice of your supervisor. If your supervisor concludes that the tool is unacceptable, the tool has failed the field qualification test and must be sent back for recalibration. However, if all the numbers appear to be normal and within the required specifications, click the Advanced Menu button to close the Advanced Menu panel and exit from real-time mode. Step 20. After exiting the Advanced menu, click the Start Survey button and follow the on-screen instructions. Before disconnecting the tool from the computer, return the tool to the vertical position as shown on video, with the markings on the side of the stand as shown. Disconnect the tool from the computer. It is now ready for shaking.